Hi luminaries! In this video we're going to make sunray tassels. Sunray tassels are tassels strung together to make this round piece looks like a sun. You could use almost any type of material. In this case, this is just common thread for sewing, and then I use an Omegacryl yarn for this. So it depends on what you want. So what you need are at least 14 finished basic tassels. You could actually watch our video for the basic tassels if you don't know how to make it. A piece of yarn that you're going to use to string your piece, a needle, and scissors. And in some cases, depending on the material that I'm using, I will use a tassel comb as well. So for instance, if I'm working with a looser material like this Omegacryl, I like having the tassel comb around. And one quick tip, if you're going to make a small piece like this, you could actually make two small basic tassels out of one loom tool, which is great. It speeds up everything. All right, so the process is pretty simple. What you'll do is that you'll take your 14 basic tassels. In this case, I actually have 16. I just ended up making a few extra. You are going to string your yarn. And then in this case, I'm actually going to make alternating colors. So I'm going to do red, neutral, red, neutral. So you just string them. Thread them. Okay, I have them all threaded. Set this aside. And what you want to do now at this point is you want to cut off all the temporary head knot that you have. So you want to do this carefully with a really sharp scissors. You don't want to cut off the thread to your tassel. Okay, once you have the head knot all cut off, all you're going to do is actually take your ends and you're going to tie a knot. And once you do, it actually just grabs everything together as you see here. Now this is preference. You could actually either trim your tassels so that they're even before you pull them together, or I actually like to do it after. So I'm going to use my comb here to just straighten out everything. Okay. So what I recommend is that you could either have a round template or you could just eyeball it. I'm going to wing it and eyeball it because I think I could do it. There we go. Make some adjustments if you see little pieces out of place. And there you go. I think these actually makes really beautiful jewelry as well. But I've actually put them on, I've made them out of raffia and put them on my straw bags. They're so cute. Or you could actually put a a button or a beaded piece in the middle. Either way, there's so many uses, and I'd love you to discover some and then let us know what you do with it. And there you have it. Enjoy your Sunray tassels.